good, YouTube? First fucking video of the day, top of the morning, cuz you already know what's up. So I'm gonna teach y'all niggas how to get dreads, but turn me up real quick.
Honey blowing all but honey blowing all blues on honey don't what up,
What's up?
Bitch, I'm right back to honey balling all honey balling yeah, honey balling all blues on me, bitch think I'm crib in the deep gray white, don't think I'm shrimp.
The video. My name is Breezy, by the way. I didn't introduce myself yet, but my name Breezy. Turn me up means TMU, by the way, if you didn't know. But anyways, how to get dreads. I just had a brain fart, by the way, by doing this. But let me just get to the point, because all my videos from now on is going straight to the point. You know what I'm saying? But anyways, I started growing my hair 3 years ago, 2020, Corona season. I got caught up on some bullshit. And like, my mom, my hair, cuz. That's what happened. African moms do not play games. African moms do not play games. I'm not even gonna get into that story. We're gonna get into how to get dreads. You feel me? 2020 of January, I believe. Yeah, she did that. And then I was rocking with the waves, bro. But I can't stand my head shape because it looks like a peanut, cause shaped like a peanut. I can't stand that shit. So like, I was like, a young nigga gotta grow some hair. Again. So like, after I was like, I need to grow some hair. I just started taking biotin. I started working out, drinking water, going to sleep. It all starts with the basics. Like when you bald, bro, when you got no hair, you got a little buzz cut or something, it all starts with the basics. Doing normal life shit. And it'll help your hair grow. Like this right here, the sponge brush, was my best friend until I figured out this is better than this. A microfabric towel. Real shit, that's better. So what I was doing, it's just like the sponge with the towel. I was just doing this with my hair every single day. 8 months straight. 8 months straight, I was doing that with my hair. And then I noticed that it started locking up and everything. And then that's when I started getting retwists and stuff. And like, I'd say there was nothing really bad with the sponge. It just takes off your natural oils from your hair, if you know what I mean. I'll explain in another video type shit about your natural oils and everything, but like, sponge ain't it. The thing I want to say is that it's a process. It's a long process. It's all about patience and time. If you don't have patience and you don't have the time, you can't get dreads. I'm sorry. Cause you can't just get dreads overnight by doing that and then it's locked up. Like, nah, it's a whole process, nigga. I make sure I do this till my arm's tired every single day. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna frustrate you. I promise you. It's gonna frustrate you. Like, why are my dreads not locking? Why do they look like this? I got BBs in my hair. Like, yeah, you're gonna look stupid for a little bit. Not stupid, but goofy. You know what I'm saying? You got them little starter dreads. That's like, everybody gotta start from somewhere type shit. You feel me? Let me know if you need a video on how to wash dreads. Like, if they're like kind of my length or like halfway type shit, let me know you need a video on how to wash dreads. If you're starting dreads though, you can't wash your hair for a minute. I'm telling you right now, right there. Like, you can't wash your hair for a minute because your hair needs to dry so it can lock up on its own over time type shit. You feel me? So like, take some time to like get the towel, start doing this with your hair. That's gonna help you. It's gonna help you. Trust me. And then also, sleep with a shower, not a shower cap, but a do-rag before you go to bed, especially if you guys. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. And like and subscribe down below. Let your friends know. Send this to your friends if they're trying to get dreads. And yeah, I'll see y'all niggas